Welcome fellows. Today we will learn how to create free lawyer directory with classified plugins. Whether you are facing a personal injury case, seeking assistance with business law matters, or requiring expert counsel in criminal defense, or family lawyers, government lawyers, immigration lawyers, you can add lawyers to specific categories and user also find desired lawyers from these particular categories. All the listing page surveys show on the all listing page with the lawyer's location, types and prices. All the listing archive page provide a separate listing detail page. Alright, now we will learn how to add lawyer category and location. For this, go to the listing types from classified listing. Make a new listing type like view details and save it, and then delete rest of the default type. Now create your category and set a name for it like immigration lawyer and select your customized listing type. For icon, choose anyone what you want and upload it. One lawyer category creation is done. Let's make more by following these steps. Set a category, family lawyer, select the listing types along with icon. Again, for further category, create another category like criminal lawyer and continue the previous methods. For another one, repeat this process and create business lawyer category. Thus, you can make numerous categories as per as you demand. These are the different types of lawyer categories what we have made so far. For location, select a place and save it. Now we will learn how to create lawyer listing form using classified listing drag and drop form builder. Go to the form builder and click on add new form. Choose the blank form to create from the scratch. Copy this form and drag it down for several times. Now set the section title on top as lawyer category. From the preset field, select the category form field. For the next form, set the section title as lawyer name. For the next title, now edit the lawyer's details along with tag. Now in the next, edit the section title as lawyer info. From the custom field, drag the checkbox and edit its name as area of expertise. And make few options for these items such as criminal law, divorce law, injury law, real estate law, or the immigration law. For next, drag the text from the custom field and give a level name as hourly rate. And then drag drop down custom field, set its level as free consultation. And make consultancy time option like 20 minutes, 30 minutes, etc. After that, for another section, edit the section title as business hour and drag business hour form field from preset field. After it, drag social profile form field and set it title as social profile. Next, add another new section for contact info and set it as section title, where you can add some basic form fields like phone, website, address, map, and etc. Then save this form with a suitable name like lawyer. Then go to the form list to make this as default and active and delete the sample one. Now go to the settings and then active the form builder button. Now go for an overall view of your form listing. Let's see how to add lawyer info in the directory. For this, click on Add Listing and get a listing form. What we need is to fill out this form like category name, title, a description of your lawyer like his education, awards, recognitions, etc. Then add few tags with the options of expertise and add the hourly rate with the free consultancy time. Now choose an image of your preference. Meanwhile, save your business hours, types, and social profile along with the contact info like phone, website, your address, and then save it. This is your one listing category in the listing archive page, and this is the lawyer listing details page. Thus, using the same process, you can further add more lawyer listings in your website. You just need to add the category name, the title, your lawyer details, and then same process like adding tag, lawyer info, their social profile, and with the contact info details. This is how you can create free lawyer directory with classified listing plugin. Thank you for watching.